Hello guys, Tech Republic here with another amazing video just for you. And in this video we'll be showing you guys how to unzip zipped files for PCs and Androids. A lot of files uploaded online have been zipped in order to reduce the file size. So today in this tutorial we'll be showing you guys how to unzip those files. We're going to unzip God of War Ghost of Sparta PSP game. To unzip a file, we recommend downloading WinRAR. And to download WinRAR, open up your browser, visit our website techhuntrepublic.com. And in the search bar, just search Unzip. Click on the first post, scroll down, download WinRAR for unzipping files, and you can download it from here. After downloading, install, and after installation your app would look something like this. Now to unzip the file, right click on the file. You could extract files here, creating a folder and putting your game in the folder and extracting the files there would be easier for you to find later on. So I'm going to extract God of War files here. Extraction in progress. After extraction, it would look something like this. This is the iOS file, the PSP file. And for unzipping files on Android, there are a whole variety of apps to be used, but in this video we'll be using the RAR APK file. After downloading and installation of this app, launch the app. Now find the file directory where your game is. Mine is in my SD card, so I would locate my SD card, and in this video we will be unzipping Need for Speed Most Wanted. So click on the file, and at this point you can extract wherever you want, but I will be extracting on my SD card. So hold and extract files here. It takes a moment. Extraction in progress. After extraction, you can now find your ISO file, the PSP game, in the folder where it was extracted to.